Here is my early morning in Edinburgh. I usually take train to King's Cross. During that time, I catch up with emails and I'm polishing up my speeches for business networking events. Most of PBLINK events are taking place in or around central London. However, we are organizing events across different parts of London to promote our members, our partners, and everyone who is supporting our community. Good morning. It's very early morning, 6 a.m. and I've managed to wake up and I'm actually heading towards one of networking events held in Institute of Directors. I think networking is all about commitment, isn't it? When it comes to networking, it's not what you know, who you know, or who they know. It's who knows you. It's who knows you, what you do, who you do it for, and are you good at what you do? Are you referable? How to get real results out of your networking? Treat your business networking events like a client appointments. Be there, build a relationship, do follow up, help your business community. It's giver's gain.
If you're running business in the UK, please come and join one of our events in London. Experience Polish Business Link.